So a couple of things, always very important to look at. Coolant, make sure the coolant is close to the max or never below the min. If it's below the min, please get coolant. Get the specific coolant for your vehicle. Battery. Battery is important. This is negative and that's positive, right? Make sure they are secure. The terminals are secure, tight. Not the battery's not loose. The brake fluid right there. Make sure they are is not under minimum. Okay, it should have brake fluid between max and min. Okay. That the orange loop right there, that's the oil dipstick. Always pull it out. Make sure there's fluid inside. Make sure the fluid is close to the max, or near the max, or at the max, but never low. Never near the low. And tire pressure. Check all four tire pressure. Make sure they are in the proper OE spec. Typically, the specs is on the side of the door. You can check by looking here. So for this vehicle, it's 35 psi. Okay.